say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar.
Parrot, is this secret worth it?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna try.
Wifies?
Be a little selfish and be a little sensitive.
After you abandoned me 9 million blocks out from spawn, I didn't want to talk to you anyway, bro.
Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away,